In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ticketmaster tickets to SeatGeek. If you've received tickets through Ticketmaster and want to use them with your SeatGeek account, the most important thing to understand is that this depends on whether the event allows transfers. So first, open the Ticketmaster app or go to the Ticketmaster website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head to My Events and select the event you want to work with. Inside the event details, look for the transfer tickets option. This is the key setting that tells you whether the tickets can be moved. If the transfer button is not available, that means the event organizer has restricted transfers and you won't be able to send those tickets over. So before doing anything else, make sure that option is there. Next, go to your SeatGeek account and sign in. What you need here is the email address connected to that account. Double check that you know exactly which email is associated with SeatGeek because that is the address you'll use to receive the transferred tickets. Taking a moment to confirm this can help you avoid delays or sending the tickets to the wrong place. After that, return to Ticketmaster. Open the same event again and tap Transfer Tickets. Choose the specific ticket or tickets you want to transfer, then enter the email address linked to your SeatGeek account. Before you send anything, review the details carefully. Make sure the correct event, the correct tickets, and the correct email address are all selected. When everything looks right, tap Transfer to send the tickets. Once the transfer has been sent, check the email inbox associated with your SeatGeek account. Look for the ticket transfer invitation and open it. Inside that message, click Accept Tickets, then follow the prompts shown on screen to complete the transfer. This part is important because the transfer is not fully completed until you accept it. Finally, you'll want to access your tickets. If the event supports SeatGeek Ticket Management, open the SeatGeek app and go to My Tickets to see whether they appear there. If they do, you're all set. If the tickets don't show up in SeatGeek, don't panic. In some cases, even after the transfer is accepted, the tickets remain available through the original ticket provider's account, such as Ticketmaster. So if you don't see them in SeatGeek, check the original provider account where the tickets are being hosted. That's how to add Ticketmaster tickets to SeatGeek from checking transfer eligibility